Mark, thanks. Say tonight, extremely limited supplies of the COVID-19 vaccine continue to be a big challenge here in the Tri-Cities.
And today in Washington County, Tennessee, the health department was able to administer some vaccines at Freedom Hall in Johnson City. For several days this week, the Tennessee Department of Health has said Washington County, Tennessee had limited or no vaccine supply. We've learned some of those who were able to get shots today were teachers.
So which counties have the vaccine tonight? Here's the latest from the Tennessee Department of Health. There is vaccine available for healthcare workers, school and child care staff, educators, and first responders, those in Phase 1A1, 1A2, Phase 1B, and people age 75 or older. This is in Washington, Unicoi, and Johnson counties. The state tonight reports there is no available vaccine supply for those phases and the 75 and up age group in Carter, Greene, Hawkins, and Hancock counties. As for the supply in Virginia, that state's Department of Health does not publish county-by-county updates on vaccine availability. Back in Tennessee, though, the Sullivan County Regional Health Department continues to operate 2 clinics, including at the one at the Bristol Motor Speedway at the Dragway area. It's for anyone on the eligible list who lives in Tennessee. But heads up, this site is going to be closed Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Well, now the federal government is calling on states to expand eligibility and start vaccinating people 65 years old and older. Virginia's governor said this week that will happen soon in the Commonwealth. But with supplies limited, we've learned tonight that's not yet the case in Northeast Tennessee. Ansley Daniel has more on that now. She joins us live in Johnson City with more. Ansley?
Tonight here at the Northeast Regional Health Office, frustration mixed with optimism. With very little supplies of the vaccine, the medical director here says they are working very hard to get shots out to people. But with the CDC's new recommendation asking for even more people to get vaccinated, he says that he's worried they just aren't able to meet that demand just yet.
As soon as it comes in the door, it goes out the door.
Lack of supply putting a pause on vaccine distribution for some counties in Northeast Tennessee.
It was frustrating last week because we did not get the vaccine we expected to get, so we weren't able to have as many vaccination clinics, but vaccine supply this week has picked up.
On Friday, the state updated its online COVID-19 vaccination scheduling website and released a new video showing people how to find out if they're vaccine eligible and how to register.
And if you're eligible now, you're ready to move to the second step.
But the department's medical director for the Northeast region says no one who signed up with the new system this week has yet to be vaccinated.
There is a new registration system called Sign Up Genius that everyone's using. People being vaccinated right now may or may not have been signed up through that. It may be we're still vaccinating a lot of people from the old system, which was Eventbrite.
As for why some counties appear to have more vaccine than others,
it's based primarily on population. Some counties that are considered distressed are getting extra doses, but really all of our counties now are starting to get sufficient amounts of vaccine to start progressing through the phases.
While the CDC ordered states this week to expand eligibility and vaccinate people 65 and older, Kershke says that's not yet possible in Tennessee.
Currently, with vaccine being limited, we're trying to get all our 75 and older vaccinated because they're at the highest risk.
Another concern, a dramatic drop in testing. Friday, a clue as to why those numbers are way down.
Testing is down at the health departments because our same nurses that are doing all the testing are the same ones doing the vaccinating, so we've had to decrease the amount of days we're doing our drive-through testing.
Tonight, Dr. Kershke continued his plea, asking everyone to continue wearing masks, social distancing, as well as hand washing. And he says that if you are exposed to COVID, he asks you stay home and quarantine for at least 10 days. And if you start showing symptoms, go and get tested. Live in Johnson City, Ansley Daniel, News Channel 11.